Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Facebook Ads Manager, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type in www.facebook.com in the address bar and hit enter. Log into your Facebook account using your credentials. If you already have a Facebook account, enter your email or phone number in the first field. Next, input your password in the second field. Click on the Login button. Once logged in, look for the drop-down arrow in the top right corner of the Facebook homepage. Click on this arrow to reveal a menu. Select Ads Manager from the list of options. If you don't see Ads Manager in the drop-down, you can type Ads Manager into the search bar at the top of the page. After clicking on Ads Manager, you may be taken to the Ads Manager dashboard. Here, you'll see an overview of your campaigns, ad sets, and ads. If this is your first time using Ads Manager, you may be prompted to set up an ad account. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup if required. Once your account is set up, you can start managing your ads effectively. Familiarize yourself with the layout and the tools available in Ads Manager to optimize your ad campaigns. Explore the various sections, such as campaigns, ad sets, and ads, to understand their functions. You are now logged into Facebook Ads Manager and ready to create and manage your advertising campaigns. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.